think we're all set. The tent is now pitched up, and there are other people that is camping in this place. Let me show you. So can you see them? They're actually looking at me. This lake is perfect for fishing and camping at the same time. I didn't pay anything to pitch here, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed to pitch here. I'm not sure if I need to be a member. Anyway, I'm gonna show you my setup for today. So it's very spacious, so it has 2 doors. So I opened the other end because of the wind. It's very God, I don't know if my tent is going to last the night, but fingers crossed it will. But anyway, so it's very spacious. It's good for 2 people. For my bed, this is what I set. So I have this. This is my air bed. I got it from Ecotech Doors. Pillow. My sleeping bag, I'm using a from OEX. So I'm gonna cook our dinner now because I don't want to cook later on when it's starting to get dark. So our gas canister. Cooking this sardines with eggs. We're gonna do the sardines. Sardines. This is gonna be very easy, very quick. I usually would saute this with garlic, onions, and tomato, but I didn't bring any today. I just couldn't be bothered. And then just mix it. Guys, so it's like a scrambled egg but with sardines. Change for my sleeping clothes. Fingers crossed it does not rain today because I forgot to bring my roof cover. I'm not going to bed yet. I'm just on my thermals and I'm gonna walk around the lake. I just found something really creepy and really bizarre. You guys, this is so creepy. What is that? Look. What's that? The hell? There's a gas in here. So what's the purpose of this? And this. That looks really creepy. How bizarre. Anyway, let's carry on. Oh, it's getting darker. guys, so it's night time and still really early for bedtime. The wind has subsided a little bit. It's not as strong as it was this afternoon. I'm hoping anyway, I better shut my tent now and stay inside because I'm starting to get really scared. I don't know. Alright, let's look around. Yep. Looks there. Yep. Yep. This back here. Oh shit. I put it there. Sorry. That's what is that? That's another secure bags. Yep. Yep. Okay. We're right. Guys, I am going to go to bed now. It's 10:20 and I shall see you guys tomorrow, and I know we're gonna have a magnificent view of the lake. Good night, everyone. Good morning. Oof, crap. I slept well, I guess I would say. What time is it? It's oh my god, it's 6:53. I'm so early. And the sun's out. Oh, they're gone. Ah, my visitors has left. Oh god, it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning and it's a really nice view today. Look, the sun is now coming up there, and I found a really nice spot down over there, and I think I'm gonna search and see if I could swim next time, and I probably will. I think I better pack up now. I'm still enjoying the view though. I really love this. This is my favorite spot now. I'm gonna be here again. So guys, we're all packed. That's where we camped last night. All clean. That's my backpack. We're going home. Bye, beautiful lake. I'll see you next time. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My bag is very heavy.